Good morning students. Welcome to the second video of the chapters area of trapezium and polygon. So today we are going to discuss different types of polygon and its area. Okay. First of all, we are going to discuss the area of rhombus. So before we start, I am going to explain you what is a rhombus. Okay. So let's see here, ABCD is a rhombus, name of the rhombus is given. But what is a rhombus? A rhombus is a plane figure. It is a plane figure you can draw in the blackboard, and its sides are equal. The four sides of a rhombus are equal, and the diagonals bisect each other. Bisect means equal halves. So there are AC is a diagonal here, means AO equal to OD, and also BO equal to OD. Okay, so AO equal to OC and BO equal to OD. So the diagonals of a rhombus are bisecting each other, means equal halves, and bisected also 90 degree. So these diagonals, that is AC diagonal and BD diagonals here, bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay, create a 90 degree in the center, intersecting points. Now, so all sides are equal. All sides of rhombus are equal. So how to find the area? What is the formula to find the area of a rhombus? So the formula is half into product of diagonals. So here in this figure, ABCD is a rhombus. So we are giving the name ABCD here. And what are the diagonals here? AC is a diagonal and another diagonal is BD. So AC into BD. So in this rhombus, that is ABCD, the formula to find the area of the rhombus here is half into AC into BD. Clear? Okay. Now based on this formula, we are going to solve this question now. Okay. What is this question? The area of the rhombus is 50 centimeter square. So here the area of the rhombus is given, and one of the diagonal is given, that is 15 centimeter. So what is given here? Area is given and one of the diagonals is given. So what to find here? Find the other diagonal. Okay. So let the area here, it is giving 50. So our formula is area equal to half into product of diagonals. So let one of the diagonal is D1. So let D1 is one diagonal and D2 is another diagonal. Okay, so the formula is half into D1 into D2. So D1, suppose D1 is given here, that is 15 centimeter, and D2 we have to find out. So what is D2 then? Taking the transpose, D2 equal to 50 into 2 upon 15. So here half and 15 is transposed here. 15 to 2 upon 15. So that is 15 to 2 is 100. 100 upon 15. So it is divided with 5. 5 3 ja 15 and 5 2 ja 10. 0 20 here. So 20 upon 3. 20 upon 3 make it to mixed fraction. So 3 here. 3 6 ja 18 and 2 here. So 6 whole 2 upon 3 is the length of another another diagonal. So therefore find the other. Therefore other diagonal is 6 whole 2 by 3 centimeter. The unit is centimeter here, so I am writing here centimeter. So one diagonal is given in this question, another diagonal we have find out, that is 6 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter. Okay. Next we are going to discuss what is a polygon and how to find the area of the polygon. So first of all, we are going to discuss the definition of the polygon. So it says that a simple closed figure, that means it is not open anywhere, it is a closed figure formed by line segment is called. See here, this is a polygon and it is a triangle. So there are three sides there, it is a triangle. So it is closed, and also it is closed by the line segment. So any figure, closed figure is closed by the line segment, we can call it as a polygon. So there are different types of polygons. Let us discuss one by one. So first is here triangle here. This is called triangle. Why it is triangle? Because there are three sides are there in this polygon, and this is a quadrilateral 1 2 3 4. It is a quadrilateral, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5. It is a 5 sides are there, means it is a pentagon. And here 1 2 3 4 5 6 sides are there, it is a hexagon. And here 7 sides are there, it is a heptagon. 8 sides are there, it is a octagon. So likewise, and in your book up to octagon it is given. So there are different types of polygons are present. Okay, next I am going to solve one question from your book, that is exercise 16b. From exercise 16b, one question I am solving. First question is to find the area of this polygon. As we have discussed, polygons means a closed figure having the sides a closed figure formed by the line segments. So here also line segments are there, and this polygon consists of one triangle and another is trapezium. So together the area is equal to the area of the polygon. Okay, so we have to find out the area of this triangle plus the area of this trapezium, then we can find out the area of this polygon. Okay, let's see. So first of all, you have to find out this area of the triangle. Area of triangle. What is the name of the triangle? That is AED. AED is the area of the triangle. So what is the formula to find the area of the triangle? That is half into base into height or altitude. So here half, what is the base here given? That is 6 centimeter. So you can write here 6 centimeter into height. What is the height given here? That is 8 centimeter. Just simplify it. 2 3 ja 6, 3 8 ja 24 centimeter square. So 24 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Next, we have to find out the area of this trapezium. Area of trapezium equal to, what is the formula to find out the area of the trapezium? That is half into the sum of the parallel sides into height. So in this trapezium, what are the parallel sides? That is ED and BC. ED is given 6 and BC is giving 12 centimeter. So sum of these two parallel sides, that is 6 plus 12 into height. What is height here? If you minus from the total height, that is 13 minus 8, we can get the height of this trapezium. So 13 minus 8 is 5 into 5. So half into 6 plus 12, how much? That is 18. Yes, 18 into 5. Just simplify it. 2 9 ja 18, 9 5 ja 45 centimeter square. So here we got the area of the trapezium is 45 centimeter square. So what is the total area of this polygon? So here we can write in this one, area, therefore area of polygon equal to area of the triangle AED plus area of this trapezium EDCB. Okay, so directly I am writing here 24 centimeter square plus 45 centimeter square. That is 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 4 6, 69 centimeter square, and it is the area of this polygon. That is AEBCD is the name of the polygon. Then area equal to area of the triangle plus area of this trapezium equal to 69 centimeter square. Okay.